If your iPad is stuck in setup mode, do not worry, because in this video I will give you two effective methods to solve this problem. The first solution is just plug your iPad to charge while you're setting up your iPad. Now, in most cases, after you plug your iPad into charge, you will not be stuck in setup mode and you will be able to continue the setup process normally. But if you have plugged your iPad into charge, but if this did not fix your problem, then just follow the next method. For that, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Then just remember the button combinations. Press and release the volume up and the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. But if you're using an older iPad which have a home button, just press and hold the home button with the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And once the force restart process is completed, the setup process will start all over again. Now this time, just continue the setup process normally, but do not sync your old data to your iPad. Just continue the setup process without syncing the data, and as you arrive on the home screen, then just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And after you do that, then just tap on your Apple ID over here. And if you're not signed into your Apple ID yet, just sign into your Apple ID. After that, just tap on iCloud and you will be able to sync your old data from your iCloud to your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.